All right, guys, here we go. This is things you see at a skate park. Number 1. Bear Kyro. Oh my gosh, he's just the cutest little thing. How did you get to be so cute? Follow him on Instagram, at Bear Kyro. That's number 1.
Let him shred the park, man.
Shred it up. He loves the Braille house. He loves it. His bed is in there, and he's like, I'm out. Peace. Number 2, Fetty breaking things. That was extremely dramatic. Number 3, the guy who only skates flat ground. Woo! 1 ramp and he's out. Number 4, the scooter guy. Oh! Full send! First try! Number 5, the guy on the trike. That was literally the scariest experience of my entire life. Oh, hey there. We're up to number 6. And this one is the snake.
Dude!
It's a brutal world out there, kids.
Number 7, the Fortnite player.
Number 8, the mom.
Yay! Good job, honey!
Number 9, the filmer.
Oh my god, that was so sick! You killed it! You crushed it!
I got it.
Did you get the clip, bro?
Yeah, but we can't watch it. My battery's dying.
Dude, the lens cap's on.
Fork. Number 10. Random pieces of wax you find at the skate park. Oh, hey, what's this? I love that they put this into a screw. There's always wax next to the rail. No comment. Hubba. This is just like a standard piece of wax.
This one is actually here.
Really?
Already. We did not place this one.
Nicely, perfectly hidden. The Braille wax. Number 11, the obstacle that nobody ever skates. For the record, I actually no-slid this once. Thank you. Number 12, the guy who skates way too fast. Way too fast. Number 10 plus 3, 13. The guy who never lands anything.
Got an extra, I swear.
13's an unlucky number. I don't know what to tell you. It just is what it is. That's what they say. They just do it. You know, it's just a thing. Number 14. The guy that always falls.
Alright, I got this.
Should have got SMS1. I don't know what to tell you. Look at his legs. This is the most painful leg position I've ever seen. Number 15. Braille skateboarding. Hey guys, we're really excited today to have another box. What could be inside this box? We will open it and find out and check it out.
All right, guys, cut the shot. We're good.
Number 16. The trendy skater. Number 17, the extreme baller, AKA Gabe Cruz.
Did I make that? I did?
Number 18, the guy that only skates mini.
Hey, what's up, dude? You want to go skate the stairs?
I think I'm gonna stay here.
He's so good though.
Number, I almost fell over just there. 19, the literal wall. That was literally as hard as I could kick it, and it went like halfway up. That's kind of embarrassing. Number 20. This one I've never actually ever seen at any skate park ever, except for this one. Mario's Dragon Ball Z drawings.
Give you $5 if you know who that is.
There's a Goku, duh. Number 21. The guy who's always on something electric. Dude, I'm slaying this though. For real. It's a rough world being single. Number 22. The guy that's always on his phone.
Did you say something?
No. These dang Brentwood kids. Number 23. The Skate 3 guy.
Oh my god, that was actually sick. Yeah, you know, I'm gonna stick to Skate 3. You know, skateboarding in real life, I'll stick to the video games.
It's number 24. The photographer.
Get the shot.
Got the shot, man. I got
Hey.
the shot. Yeah. Woo!
Number 25. Another one for the cruise. The guy that always, he just always wants to play skate.
Wanna play skate?
No, cause my foot hurt. So yeah, I can't do that. Sorry.
All right, never mind. Okay. Let's play skate.
I don't even have my board.
Where's your board?
I don't know.
Do you want to play skate?
Really?
All right.
Number 26. Number 26. The bottle flipper. That actually kind of hurt when I hit the bottom there. Number 27. The guy that wears earbuds in his ears because he thinks that bees are going to fly into his ears, as if there's like a bee farm next to the skate park and the bees only want to attack ears. That guy, he's pretty much at every skate park, right? Leave it in the comments below. Bees.
Video is the bee's knees. Fetty,
What?
why do you need to wear these headphones?
So the bees don't get in your ears.
Has that ever happened to you before?
It almost happened to someone. I don't remember who.
And ever since then you started doing it?
Number 20. 8. The motor cycle. Number 29. The fork.
What the fork?
Number 30. The overly excessive waxer.
You alright in there?
I can hear Fortnite playing in the background.
Just a little bit of wax. Nice and easy. Just like that, see? Ready to skate.
All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. What list do you want us to see us do us nextest? Leave it in the comments below. We love all of your ideas, and if you have an idea that we missed that should have been in this list that you see every day at your skate park, type it into those comments below. Please like, subscribe, share this video to all of your friends so they can have as much fun watching it as you had. I'll see you in the next video. We make daily videos tomorrow, and like always, I hope that you, yes, each and every one of you, are learning to skateboard. See you in the next video.
That was a fantastic throw.